Today I'm going to show you how to use Cloudflare as an application to allow us to expose safely all our self-hosting apps, including AI apps. It's basically a global network that we can use that is acting as middleman between the website or our applications, and this will handle all the HTTPS certificates for regular websites, web apps, as mentioned, AI apps, as we will be seeing this year. So this is great as well because we don't need to have port forwarding enabled in our router. So you just need to register, log into the portal, then go to the Zero Trust section of it, like in the video, and then we can create a tunnel, like so. You can name it however you want, and then we're going to use Docker container, and we're going to get some special token, which we're going to use together with Portainer, and then let's create a stack, Cloudflare, paste it like so. It will be provided in the video description. Use your token accordingly, so I'm just copying it here. And now here we go. And then we're going to hit deploy, of course. And then this will pull the containers, and here we go. It's up and running after a little while, and everything seems fine. Now, how can we know if this is working? So let's try to expose Portainer, for example. Subdomain, you can use whatever you want. I'm just assuming that you have a domain with Cloudflare. You can see mine right here. And then, yeah, as mentioned, put any subdomain Portainer will do. And we are going to simply select the name of the container with HTTP. So the container is named Portainer, and the port of the container itself, 9000. Remember, it's the second port name in our compose files if you don't have the same, so it's the internal container port. Yes, remember that part? And here you see it is loaded. We have the new tunnel, and now is it working? Or are we missing anything? Actually, we just need one more thing. We need to go to Portainer, go to the container that you want to expose, and we have to make it be on the same Cloudflare network. You can do this via UI, like so, for any other application that you want to expose, or you can do so on the same Docker stack, basically, as we will see in future use cases. You see, with the subdomain is working, and you also can see here HTTPS certificate is working for Portainer. So, really simple, working for AI apps, and stay tuned for more, because AI is coming to the channel.